Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and can I just say it right now? What a month it has been. We are jam-packed with releases, and it is absolutely amazing. I have so many fun things to kind of recap with you because I always worry maybe you missed one or two releases, and I want to make sure you see everything just in case. So we started off the month with our Wishing Well to Stamp, our Stamp and Die Hard member club set, and oh my goodness, I love it because it's perfect for our Slimlines. It's perfect for our 5x7 cards. It's the perfect size for A2 size cards. It has so many different options. So we started off with that. Then we added our fun best wishes to that and our get well wishes. Here we go, get well wishes. This one is even a shaker card, which is so fun. Look how fun that beautiful best wishes is on there. And I love that get well wishes. So lots of different options, right? Then we had our beautiful flower background that I'm telling you is my favorite flower background I've ever done. I absolutely love this one, especially in black, which who would think you'd want to make flowers in black, right? But aren't they beautiful? I love it. Then we had our fun church fold it, perfect for baptisms or weddings or Easter or dedications, anything. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. We also had, sadly we need this, our Rainbow Bridge stamp and die set, perfect for pets when we lose a pet and we want to send something special to a friend when they've lost a pet. Isn't it sad? But kind of needed, right? We also released two different things on this one. Happy Birthday die set, which is very intricate. You're going to want your adhesive backgrounds on the adhesive sheets on that one, but also the dotted slimline rectangles. Love them. Aren't they awesome? I absolutely love them. Here's another example of the dotted rectangles, also using our triplet flower. This is now on the website. The triplet flower is now on the website. Isn't it beautiful? And I love all those fun dots. They're just so fun. Absolutely love them. We also released or re-released our triplet butterfly. Isn't she beautiful? Perfect for bookmarks, perfect for every day, any type of card you want to do. Love it. And our wedding ring background, which I absolutely love. Perfect to go with the wedding, with the church folded if you want to. Oh, more dotted rectangles, which can you believe this dotted rectangle die is in the same set as this dotted rectangle dies. So much options, so many options, right? Am I right? Okay. Now, two more. Because hello, rawr, right? I absolutely love this Triceratops. Now, this one, we also released the birthday hugs, and we also released this Triceratops Fold It, which also fits on a card. And look at this one, knock your socks off, double Z card. Look how fun that is. Look at all the extra little layers on that. But isn't that beautiful? Birthday hugs. Now, club members, you got the club discount on every single item that I just showed you. And if you made it when we had the flash sale, you got the flash sale discount as well. I know, it's so amazing. It's almost like we pay you to be our club members. We like pay you to be our friends. That's kind of how it is. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Hopefully you didn't miss any of these items. If not, you are able to still pick them up now. So just a heads up, so much fun. And I can't wait to see you on the website at thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.